Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on factory resetting JBL speakers. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When your speaker is switched on, hold down the volume up and play buttons simultaneously. Keep holding them down until the speaker turns off. It will take about 5 seconds. Your speaker will now be reset to factory settings. When you turn it on again, it will be as if you have never used it before. You will have to pair it to any device that you would like to connect it to. The Bluetooth light will be flashing, and the speaker will be in pairing mode. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more JBL speaker tips and tricks.